Hello everyone, welcome to my programming club. Today we will be solving another daily Leetcode problem, and the problem's name is sort characters by frequency. So the problem statement goes like this. Given a string S, sort it in descending order based upon frequencies of those characters. The frequency of a character is the number of times it appears in the string. Okay, so we have to return the sorted string, and if there are multiple answers we can return any of them. So first, the characters that are appearing most number of times will be appearing, and then the characters appearing the second most number of time, and so on it will continue. And if there are, let's say, multiple orderings possible, because it is entirely possible that situation like this occurs, that let's say E is occurring twice, D is occurring twice, and T is occurring once. So either you can return this double E D D D T, or you can either return this D E E T. So both of these will be acceptable, since we are only required to have frequencies in decreasing order. So the character that is ordering of characters does not really matter here. Ordering of frequency matters only. So this should be in decreasing order. Okay, and here also it was 2 to 1. So first of all it is equal, then it's become 1 less. So it is something like this. So in both of these cases the pattern is same only, so these two are valid answers. So let's have a look at the constraints also. Length of the string is of order 10 raised to power 5 into 5, and string is consisting of both upper and lower English case letters. Okay, and digits also it is mentioned. Okay, there can be digits also. So in these three examples that we are given, digits are not there, but in constraints it's mentioned that upper and lower case English letters and digits also. So we should be keeping this in mind also, that digits can be there also while solving this particular problem. So let's see how we'll be solving this particular problem. First of all, we should be knowing that what range will be sufficient to accommodate all the different type of characters that will be there. So 256 size is sufficient from 0 to 255 to accommodate all the digits and all small case letters and also the uppercase ones. So it will be sufficient enough. Okay, so what we will be doing is we will be taking our 256 integer array. Let's call this a frequency. So for each character that is present, it can be mapped to a index. Its ASCII can be mapped to an index, not the character actually. So its ASCII value, these are nothing but the ASCII values, okay, can be mapped to a integer in this particular array. Okay, these are ASCII values, and These are also indices in this particular frequency array. So every character will be having some ASCII value and it can be mapped to one of those indices. Okay, so after this what you will be getting is you will be getting the frequency of every character that is present in this particular integer array. Okay, so you can take it in vector, it is vector in C++, and equivalent structure in Java is array. So it will be of 256 size. Okay, so this is just I am telling from experience, otherwise you can Google also that this much number of indices will be sufficient to map all the ASCII values of the characters. And then once we are having this frequency array of all the characters mapped and their frequencies, what we will be doing is we will be taking another array or vector which will be having each element as this will be the frequency. Okay, there each element will be present as a pair. This will be the frequency of the element and this will be the element itself. Okay, so this kind of a vector we will be taking, and let's call this frequency character map. Then we will be applying some sorting operation so that this whole frequency character map is sorted according to this particular value, which is frequency. Okay, and it according to this particular value also it should be sorted in descending order. Then we will simply taking a result string. Initially it will be empty and you will be enqueuing every character that is present in this frequency character map, and you will be enqueuing that character frequency number of times. So let's say E was present 2 times, D is present 1 times, and T is present 1 times. So E will be enqueued 2 times. Okay, so its frequency will be 2, and so E will be present something like this here. Okay, so let me write other characters also. So they should be ordering like this in this particular frequency character map. Okay, so this is a pair. So E is repeated 2 times, so we'll be adding E to the result string. As of now it is looking something like this. Then we'll be adding D, and then comes T. So this can be a valid answer. Other than that, this one also is a valid answer. Okay, so let's see how we'll be implementing this solution. So this is the implementation. First of all, you will be populating the frequency array. Okay, where each character's ASCII value is mapped to index in. Okay, so in this particular frequency array, each character's ASCII value is mapped to an index. So you will be simply incrementing the frequencies of every character that is present there, and then you will be taking another structure which is frequency pairs, you can say. it is same as this frequency character map. I have just taken different name here, okay, while implementing. And then you will be traversing over the frequency character array and populating this frequency pairs array, traversing over frequency array and populating frequency pairs array. Okay, so if for a character its frequency is greater than 0, it means that this character is present in the string. Then you will be adding it to the frequency pairs, and then you will be sorting this particular frequency pairs array with respect to frequencies in descending order. Sorting frequency pairs array, or say vector, with respect to frequencies of each character. So then we'll be adding this each character frequency number of times to the result. Okay, then we will be adding each character frequency number of times to result string. Okay, and then we'll be returning this string. So this is how we will be solving this particular problem. If you are still having any doubts or any queries in general, then you may ask them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.